I'm here today to show you the new Hubbell products for AV. With the things that have been happening in the industry, we're seeing a lot of convergence actually happening, and we're trying to bring new products that the standard contractors, the low voltage contractors, can use in their everyday installations. Something that in the past we used to put aside for AV specialists, now we've made it so easy that the low voltage contractors can do it themselves. About 3 years ago, we came out with a new product, and that product was a HDMI extender. We were allowed to go up to 150 feet over 2 twisted pair cables. The advantage of that was fill capacities in the conduits that we were putting the material into. Where other manufacturers may be using thicker cables, we can put a variety of different products down on UTP cable. Again, we use UTP cable, not shielded twisted pair. So that makes us a little bit different. The second item that we came out with was a VGA extender. The VGA extender takes product out to 75 feet so that people can do conference rooms, things like this, or classrooms, and do it efficiently. Again, it takes 2 cables to get that completed. So with the 2 cables already in place with the VGA, to do a simple upgrade, you would pull this unit out, snap this unit in. So we're able to upgrade a system and make it that will work for the future without having to do major construction. We also, for whiteboards and control items, we came out with an extender for my USB, and the USB can go out to 100 feet. So when we're doing whiteboards, things like that where I need control, that's very good. But what everybody is really getting into is with the AV market, we either have a very high end, people like Extron, Crestron that are out there, or we have a very low end where I talk to people who are buying things on the internet for $5. The problem is the items that they're buying on the internet are only good for about 12 meters. When you exceed the 12 meters, we need to power the units, and that's what these extenders will actually do. So we went beyond. We wanted to go to something that wasn't quite an Extron or a Crestron. So we came out with a product, and it is our 10-base-T product. The 10-base-T product will allow me to do video over 1 twisted pair cable, UTP, 100 meters, 330 feet. That's very good when you're doing signage, you're doing conference room video, things like this that are being done. Again, we don't want to look at the high end. We're not looking to get into displays and things like that, but we are looking for a point-to-point solution that we can get done. We started to notice that everything has to be powered when we start talking about these products. Hubbell is a power company. So what we did was we actually took a new product that came out, and it was the USB charger. And the USB charger, we actually made an alteration to it, and we went into the back and we tapped into it, into the transformer. What this allowed us to do is take the 5 volts that's required by these units, and we can power it off of this. So what you end up with is something similar to this. We are putting both the power and the AV equipment in one box. So it's going to make it a lot easier when people go out there. The old power systems, I would either have to power my devices back at a cadenza or back in the closet, which meant I was running power cable out to each individual unit. I'm going to be doing it in my AV box with a divider in the box. So our goal is to actually make this easier for the AV contractor who wants to do this, or the low voltage person who's been doing voice and data for many years. For more information on the AV 110 Everywhere, please click the link below. If you have any further questions, please contact your Graybar representative and he will get answers for you. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and check the links below for more information on the product and to subscribe to our monthly newsletter.